Hi everyone, following our last video on the RICOH Pro C7500, we will take a deeper technical dive into the CMYK Plus mode. Based on the feedback, today we're sharing 3 insights to deepen your understanding of CMYK Plus to help unlock maximum print value. We'll explore proper file preparation, how rendering intents control neon production, and the way neon colors blend with other toners. Insight number 1, the source file. Many designers convert their files to CMYK before printing to control color. However, for CMYK Plus mode, this practice limits the system. When you use a wider color space, specifically Adobe RGB, the RIP can detect out-of-gamut colors and automatically calculate where to inject the neon toner. To get the maximum pop from your neon pink or yellow, always keep your source files in RGB. Insight number 2, rendering intent. This configuration controls how the system maps colors and applies to your neon yellow. On fiery controllers, perceptual is called photographic. It compresses the color gamut to preserve the overall appearance of your images, creating a smooth, natural blend. For charts and business graphics, switch to saturation, known as presentation on fiery. It maps saturated colors directly for vivid, high-impact designs, where exact hues don't matter. Use relative color metric when exact color accuracy is key, as it reproduces in-gamut colors perfectly and clips out of gamut areas to the closest boundary. Lastly, absolute color metric keeps the original white point without adjusting to the paper. It's perfect for side-by-side color comparisons across different output devices. Insight number 3, color substitution. As mentioned in our previous video, the system automatically converts out-of-gamut colors to the neon layer. However, it doesn't simply print neon on top. It intelligently substitutes standard toner. Notice how the magenta percentage drops as neon pink increases? In certain shades, the system even slightly reduces yellow. This replaces dense CMYK toner with translucent neon pink, allowing its brightness to shine. The same smart logic applies to neon yellow. It dynamically reduces standard yellow percentages, and in bright or neon green gradients, it even cuts back on cyan. This lets the neon yellow particles lift and drive overall brightness. This intelligent blending allows the printer to reproduce highly vibrant colors. For example, combining neon pink with yellow creates bright orange, while neon pink plus cyan produce vibrant purple. Similarly, mixing neon yellow with cyan and yellow yields neon green. Stunning shades that standard CMYK simply cannot reach. This automated blending ensures your printed colors remain as vivid as your digital files. However, keep in mind that with CMYK Plus mode, you cannot manually select specific areas for the effect. For a detailed guide on manual adjustment tools, watch our full webinar by clicking in the link in the corner. So, how does this translate to business? CMYK Plus mode is perfect for photos, marketing materials, and general print jobs. For instance, in the premium packaging sector, striking shelf appeal is the key to attracting customers and making products truly stand out from the competition. For events and fashion, CMYK Plus gives you true digital to print power. It prints skin tones that look incredibly soft and natural, breaking through the limits of digital printers. It's about moving from standard printing to high-value creative solutions that make your work truly outstanding. Mastering these insights transforms you from a regular user into a master of the CMYK Plus system. Ready to see the results for yourself? Contact us or your local RICOH representative for a demo. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.